Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio, and I'm here to share with you today the absolute best paper crafting deal. During Stampin' Up's largest sale of the year called Sale-A-Bration, they're offering two different options for you to build a custom kit. This is a bundle of products of your choice from either the occasions or the annual catalog. You can choose ink pads, cardstock, designer series paper, stamp sets, dies, or accessories of your choice. And this year during Sale-A-Bration, there are two options for the custom starter kit. The custom kit absolutely has no obligation. I would love to have hobby paper crafters as part of our stamping team, where we're able to enjoy discounts, pre-purchase options, and lots more. Let's head over to the stamp table and let me show you the two options that are available for your custom kit. The Sale-A-Bration brochure holds 19 pages of products that are absolutely free with any $50 product purchase during the dates of January 3rd to March 31st, 2019. And for those of you that have a large wish list, if you spend $100 in a single purchase of product before shipping and tax, there are even $100 product options as well. In the inside cover of this catalog, you'll be able to find the two options about the custom starter kit. This is a great way for you to fill that wish list at a reduced price. Option 1 is going to provide you with your choice of $175 worth of Stampin' Up! Products for just $99, and the kit ships for free. Option 2 also allows you to choose $175 of Stampin' Up! Products. It also includes the exclusive tote. Let me show you this amazing tote bag. The Stampin' Up! Craft and Carry tote is made of heavy-duty canvas. The zipper compartment on the outside is real strong and very generous, and you're going to find that it's completely lined, as well as the inside. The inside boasts all kinds of options for you. As you can see here, there are interchangeable Velcro dividers that fit inside the tote. So these panels can be interchanged to either face inside or outside to create dividers in the center and or dividers on the outside. You're also going to find that there's abundant size pockets on both sides of the tote, and it includes an amazing shoulder strap. The shoulder straps are going to attach here on the side with these thick round rivets, which make it for easy and effortless carrying, and it's balanced well in the center. On the other side of the tote, you're going to find an additional zipper compartment. This one is even bigger and also lined. A great place to hold adhesives, scissors, glue dots, dimensionals, and any other accessories. One of the things I love most about this tote are the feet. These elevated silver feet are going to keep your bag from resting completely on the floor, and the beautiful identification tag is going to make it easy for you to be able to add your name on here with a Sharpie marker if you choose, or attach another ring with personalization. The Craft and Carry tote is included in option 2 for a reduced price of $129. The tote retails for $50, but you can't purchase it on its own. It's only available during Stampin' Up's Sale-A-Bration and only as option 2. You'll be able to choose $175 of Stampin' Up! Products of your choice, as well as including tote, and this all ships for free as well. One of the reasons I absolutely love the custom starter kit is not only does it give you the flexibility to choose what you want for products, but it also gives you the opportunity to shop at a 20% discount through the end of July 2019. Yeah, you heard right. We're going to extend the demonstrator discount to you during this period of time. In addition to that, you're going to earn all the other, quote, demonstrator benefits, which include pre-purchase options, the quarterly Stampin' Success magazine, inclusion in my stamping community where we share ideas, we do product giveaways, and virtual live events. This may seem too good to be true, but it is true. There is absolutely no obligation to hold a workshop, an event, do a video, hold a class, a fundraiser, anything. I'm happy to add paper crafters that are hobbyists as well to our stamping community. During Stampin' Up's Sale-A-Bration event, there are two ways for you to add your custom starter kit. Both include free shipping and your ability to shop at a 20% discount through July 31st of 2019. Oh yeah, and let's not forget this magnificent craft and carry bag as one of those options. I hope you'll give consideration to the custom starter kit. I'd sure love to add you to our stamping community and our team. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments below. Happy stamping!